When I came into this house, right after I listed it, 2363 Vineville Avenue, all I have been able to think about is how cool it must have been back in the day when the Allman Brothers were living up there at the big house and writing all their famous songs and borrowing a cup of sugar from this house. I don't know, my mind kind of went crazy. The big house is right there. You can sit here and listen to the tunes whenever they have their concerts. This is a great, solid house. The walls are really thick. It's well insulated. It's been completely redone. Just a wonderful move-in ready house right here on Vineville Avenue in the historic district. Great for a family house, a wonderful backyard, parking in the back, and a carriage home back there that at one time was 2 apartments with 2 baths. Now it needs a little bit of fixing up. That's the reason we've got a really great price on the house and the property, because it is a great price. But the back house could be a little fixer-upper deal for you, and then you could rent those apartments out if you ever wanted to. This is a very unique listing. It's been here all my life. This house has been here all my life, so when I saw it, I was so excited to be a part of this sale. Looking forward to it. You're gonna love it. Give me a call. I know you're intrigued by this. 2363 Vineville Avenue. Call JoJo, 478-731-1302.